So I get this thyme right now. Some cups of noodles. I remember when that darn noodles, you can get that pack for like $1 and something, or $2. Everything just done went up. I need some coconut milk. Give me some flour. Good Lord, this darn flour went up. For that price. Need some baking soda. For that price. Okay, wait a minute now. The recipe I'm gonna do, I can really use these instead of this $1.94. That's $1.98, but I think I can get more with that dried than with this. I think I'm gonna put this back down and get some of this stuff your mama seasoning. I'm looking for me some maggots. I gotta find me some. Get some Goya. Alright. I'm gonna get this big thing of maggots. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 of these. 2 cans of coconut milk. Put that price. I'm trying to think. If there's anything else that I need from over here. They don't went up on the coconut milk. I think that's it that I need for the recipe that I'm doing. It's been a minute since I cooked this recipe, so I'm trying to make sure I got everything. Got my Maggies. It's missing. Wait a minute. Why the top missing? Oh, I'm gonna have to switch that. Y'all see that right there? Make sure y'all check y'all items. If it's missing a piece off of there, don't buy it from them. But people do some strange things to food now. I guess all of them is like that. No, they not. They go one. Right here. Y'all see how they got them all like that? Somebody could come and stick anything in that season. Okay, I think I done found me some cheaper coconut milk for $1.98. This pure coconut milk. Okay. I think I'm gonna get 2 of these instead of the other ones. Put them other ones back. And I'm gonna put these 2 back because these were $2 and something. Every cent that you can save, it helps. When McCormick started having their own mayonnaise? I didn't know McCormick had their own mayonnaise. Ain't that something? Okay, McCormick. Oh, they got this big thing of aloe vera. I got them all down to 288. That's the expiration date on here. This is good for you, fans. I don't see the expiration date. Wait a minute. 2025. Okay, I'll get that. Have y'all even tried any of these drinks? Passion fruit, pineapple. What kind is this? Fruit punch. I'm gonna try one. Alright, fam. Excuse me. I need to get a can of the dry ginger ale. For that price. I see the Walmart didn't change everything around. Let's see what else I gotta get. Need to get some cat food for Precious. Oh, the neighborhood cat. Let me see. And she's such a little picky eater. That's a picky little cat. I think she like these though. I'll get her 3 cans of these. Is the other one I got? Wait a minute, let me look at. Cause she don't. No, these ain't the ones, fam. Which one is this one? It's this one here. She like these too. And get her 2 of these. When I say she picky, she is picky. I gotta get me some dishwashing liquid. I got this big thing of angel salt for $6.36. Okay. Okay, fam. This is all that I got. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay, I got these 2 coconut milks right here. I'm done. I need some dishwashing liquid. Canadian dry ginger ale. I'm gonna try this Slap Your Mama. They say it's good. I'm gonna try that. Cat food. Got my Maggis. Got my Sazon. Noodles. Baking soda. I'm gonna try this drink too. Thyme. And it's Stella juice. So, let's head up to checkout. And I'll tell you my total in the car. Okay, guys, I spent $45 with tax. Well, for all that stuff that I got. I had to forgot to get some cereal and milk, so I had to add that on there. So that's my Walmart little shopping haul for my video, cooking video, that I got a recipe that I want to try. And I'm going to bring y'all along with me. So I had to come and get the ingredients. So give me the thumbs up, fam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. Share the videos. Please, please, please share the videos. I'm trying to get to that 1,000. Remember, once we get to 1,000, I'm giving away that $100 cash out to whoever gonna win. So until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.